gentlemen, the wedding bells are ringing, the dates are finally out. What am I talking about? The biggest wedding of the year. Anand Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding is going to be held in Mumbai on 12th of July. Jio World Convention Center in BKC is going to be the grand wedding venue, and the wedding is going to be performed in accordance with the traditional Hindu Vedic way. Now, on contrary to all of the rumors of an international venue, the much awaited Anand Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding is going to be performed in Amchi, Mumbai. As you all know, that Ambanis have been famous of sticking to their roots, keeping it traditionally rich. Guests have already started receiving their save the date invitation, which is a very traditional gold and red invitation discussing some of the details of the 3-day function. Let me break it down for our viewers as well. The main wedding ceremonies will start on Friday, which is 12th of July, with the auspicious Shubh Vivah or wedding function. The guests have been advised the dress code will be Indian traditional. Talking about Saturday, which is 13th of July, it's going to be the day of Shubh Ashirvad or divine blessings, and the dress code has been advised as Indian formal. Third day of the function, which is Sunday, 14th of July, will be the Mangal Utsav or the grand wedding reception. The dress code is advised as Indian chic for the guests. All these functions will be held at the Jio World Convention Center in BKC. And as the wedding preparations get underway, people are now looking forward to see how the age-old traditions are going to be performed this time at the Ambanis, which will yet another time set the trend for Indian weddings. The main wedding functions and all the ceremonies are going to be performed as per the traditional Vedic Hindu standards, and in many ways is going to become a showcase of the best of India to the world yet another time.